Welcome friends, my name is Umesh Ramesh Ubale. I am studying in B.Sc third year in Adarsh College Hingoli. In this video, introduce your another branch of mathematics, that is a numerical analysis, and today's topic is the operator delta. The value of y corresponding to any value of x can be obtained by substituting that value of x on the right hand side of the equation. Suppose that my function is y is equal to f of x. F of x is an independent function and y is a dependent function. Consider a consequently value of x differing by h. A comma a plus h comma a plus 2h comma a plus 3h comma a plus 4h dot dot dot. The corresponding value of f of x are f of a comma f of a plus h comma f of a plus 2h comma f of a plus 3h dot dot dot. The value of the independent variable is called the argument, and the value of the dependent variable corresponding to that argument is called the entry. The difference between the consecutive value of the independent variable is called the interval of differing. The difference f of a plus 2 f of a plus h minus f of a plus 2h minus f of h, f of a plus 3h minus f of 2h, etc. are called the difference of the function y is equal to f of x. Denoting this difference by delta f of a plus h, delta f of a plus 2h, etc. We have delta f of a is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a. Delta f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus 2h minus f of h, a plus h. Delta f of a plus 2h is equal to f of a plus 3h minus f of a plus 2h, etc. The difference of this first difference are called second difference. Denoting this by delta cube f of a, delta cube f of a plus h, etc. We have delta square f of a is equal to delta f of a plus h minus delta f of a is equal to f of a plus 2h minus 2f of a plus h plus f of a. Delta cube f of a plus h is equal to delta f of a plus 2h minus delta f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus 3h minus 2f a plus 2h plus f of a plus 4f a plus h, etc. The difference of the second difference are called third difference. Denoting by delta cube f of a, etc. We have delta cube f of a is equal to delta square f of a plus h minus delta square f of a is equal to f of a plus 3h minus 3f of a plus 2h plus 3f of a plus h minus f of a, and so on. Thus delta nth f of a is equal to delta n minus 1 f of a plus h minus delta n minus 1 f of, etc. These difference are shown in the following table are called difference table. Argument x, a plus h, a plus 2h, a plus 3h, a plus 4h. Entry y is equal to f of x, f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, f of a plus 3h, f of a plus 4h. First difference, delta f of x. Delta f of a is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a, and next is delta f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h, and next is delta f of a plus 2h is equal to f of a plus 3h minus f of a plus 2h. Delta f of a plus 3h is equal to f of a plus 4h minus f of a plus 3h. Second difference, delta square f of x. Delta square f of a is equal to delta f of a plus h minus delta f of a. Delta square f of a plus h is equal to delta f of a plus 2h minus delta f of a plus h. Delta square f of a plus 2h is equal to delta f of a plus 3h minus delta f of a plus 2h. Third difference, delta cube f of x. Delta cube f of a is equal to delta square f of a plus h minus delta f of a. Delta cube f of a plus h is equal to delta square f of a plus 2h minus delta f of a plus h. Fourth difference, delta fourth f of x. Delta fourth f of a is equal to delta cube f of a plus h minus delta f of k. These difference are shown in the following table and the difference table. Thank you.